So this number that we're making is the number 7. Here's the number line, and I think I'll use blue today. If you start at 0 and you make 7 jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then you land on number 7. 7 is made like this. You make a backwards and then a slanted line. It shouldn't be straight up and down. It should be backwards and then a little bit slanted line, okay? Number bond. Okay, so I'm just gonna get 7 markers because this is the way I've been showing you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's 7 markers, okay? If I have 7 and 0, that still makes 7. Now, if I have 6 and 1, watch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 and 1, if I put them together, that makes 7. Okay. What if I have 2 over here? Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 makes 7. Then I have 3 over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. That also makes 7. Okay, so those are the ways that you can make 7. The bigger the numbers get, the more ways you can make the number. So the way that I was thinking was really like the way we're gonna see on this side. I'm thinking if you have 5 in one hand, and 2 over here, 5 and 2 more makes 7. So 5 and 2 makes 7. So for my number sense, I could say 5 plus 2 equals 7. But also, if you have 7 and 0, that also makes 7. And remember last week we had the number 6, and just one more would be 7. So 6 plus 1 more equals 7. And then probably the hardest way is 3 and 4. Watch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 4 also make 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. If I'm going to do counters, since the letter is A, maybe I'll make 7 A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 tallies looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5, 6, 7. So it's a 5 and 2 more. On a 10 frame would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see that it's 5 and 2 more makes 7. I can color them in. And you can tell a little bit better when they're colored in. See what 7 looks like on a 10 frame? Looks like a 5 and 2 more. These 3 are empty. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this over here and show you the other 10 or 7 display that we have in our classroom. It's right over here. There. Okay, so it says all about 7. And inside the candy jar, there are 7 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this one says 7 cents. So 5, this is worth 5, 6, 7. The way you make a 7 is a backwards slanted line. Here's some ways to make 7. 5 and 2. If you have 5 stars and 2 more, that makes 7. If you have 3 stars and 4 more, that makes 7. If you have 6 and 1 star, that makes 7. 7 o'clock, it would be pointed to the 7, and then this is on o'clock. So it is 7 o'clock.